Hi, welcome back. Here in this lecture, we will learn how to style the link in using CSS. Okay, so here we have created a file with the name of link css.html and we have given title to this as link CSS. Here in the body section, we will create a link. For creating a link, we know that we have to use anchor element. Here we have to give the hyper reference of the file that we want to create the link, and with link we have to use another attribute, that is um, here we have to give the specify the name of the file to whom we want to link. And here we can say I just wanted to create a link with the website google.com. So here I write Google, and here I give the reference of the website google.com. So for this, either I can use https www dot google.com. Okay, save this file here, save this and refresh it in the browser. Here we see a link is created with the name of Google. If I click on this link, what's going to be happen over here? Oh, here we see a website is open over here, that is google.com. Okay, so go back from here, click the back button on your browser and you see this. If we see, we find the text over here, it is a hyperlink text, as we can see over there. If we move our pointer over here, this will change to a, its pointer is taking another shape. If this is going to happen in the web browser, it means this text is a hyperlink, that is a link to another page or website or another section of your body. So here in case I wanted to remove this underline sign. Okay, here we see whenever we create a link, by default the links are underlined, but in most of the practices in today we don't want underline link to be underlined. So in order to do that, we just go create a style here, and we give type of the style as text slash css. If we don't write text slash css, it doesn't matter, but in case of some browser it gives some, maybe give some error. So it's very good practice, if you write type is equal to text or css here. Then here we write, so here we just write, we take selector. Here the selector for us is the anchor, and here we write text decoration equal to. Now save this, refresh it. Now the underline has been removed from here. Is it there? Now here we create another link over here. I just copy this, control C, have we copy this, paste this. Now here I just wanted to create a link. Now if I click on this link is going to be opening in the same window. I just wanted to create a link that will open in the new window. So for this I have to use this property target, and here I have to set the value, say underscore blank. Now this time target is equal to underscore blank. It means to say that this link will be open in new window or new tab. So Google in new window. See, refresh it. So here we see another link is created over here. So either I can use br from here to separate it in another line. To this, refresh it over here. So this way we go with this. Now here in some case we want that if we move the pointer over here, so it should look like a link over there. That means to say that it should be underlined. It looks underlined when we move pointer over here. So here, to achieve this, what we do, we will use the concept of pseudo classes. So how to use the pseudo classes? Here we just go. So here we write a colon. Here we have to use the colon, and here we have to use the property hover. And this time we want text decoration underline, and I just wanted to be change its color also. So here I write color, say green. Save this, refresh it. Now look at the effect, look at this. Okay, so when I move the my pointer over here, this is what called as the hover effect over. Okay, so this way we can use the pseudo classes, and same way we just have pseudo classes for anchor as, say, active link. This is to show the color to the active link. Say here we can say that color, say red. Okay, so active link is the links that is active right now. Okay, so refresh it now. So this will opening a new window in the, so sometimes we have to use visited link. So here we use pseudo class for visited link, anchor, then one, and here we just visited, and we go here color, say I here write the color blue, or I just wanted to say blue. Save this, refresh this. Now as both the links are visited previously, we have also clicked on this, we have also clicked on this, so both the link has been listed before, so their color becomes visited. Okay, so this is the way we can make the styling of our link in using CSS. That's all for now. Have a good day.